Abraham prayed for the day God would give him a son. Blessed Isaac was his name, the greatest gift he'd ever known. Then came the day, who would have dreamed that God would say, you gotta give him back to me. On this mountain you must prove that it's you and Isaac, or it's me and you. When I lay my eyes down with a broken heart, but my Father's proud. On this altar where he lay, justified that it wasn't him, God wanted me. Now most of us, I dare to say, we have an eyes extending in God's way, but it's on this altar you too can prove that it's not your Isaac that God wants, he wants you. So when I lay my Isaac down with a broken heart, but my Father's proud, on this altar where he lays, justified that it wasn't him, God wanted me. On this altar where he lays, justified that it wasn't him, God wanted on to Jesus I surrender, all to him I freely give. I